Assalamualaikum, well friends, welcome back into my this new tutorial video. In this video I am just making an HMI of our factory IO filling tank with timer. In the previous video you will know that we created a program for our timer filling tank with timer, and here is the program is there. So in that in that in that video I am creating an HMI for our timer filling tank with timer. So I am just going to select an HMI. So I am just I'm just go to add a new device, select an HMI smart panel 10 inches, and here is I go to select a Profinet. So when I double click the Profinet PNDP 10 inches KTP 1000, so the window will open, and the window shows us a communication. So we create a communication there. So we browse the PLC. Just you can see a Profinet interface between my PLC and HMI. I'm going to next, date and logo, acknowledging, and creating only one screen which is called home. So only home screen we have only need. So now you see our HMI has been added. Now we are going to make buttons. We are going to make a buttons with timer. You can watch there, it is a timer display with a button and another button. So I'm just going to delete it, delete that one, delete that one, delete that one, and delete also that, and delete also that. Now I'm just open my drivers, and you can see there is no any light or button there. Just I will select on PLC HMI. We have only one fill valve and discharge valve. Now I am just using my HMI to run that scene. So I am open, and you can see our HMI is there. In the device networks you will see the connection between an HMI and a PLC with a IP Profinet. I am just going to home screens. Now I am just going to create a button. So in the first we are going to change that buttons. So you will see there is a discharge button, fill button. So I am just change it to again open gate. Discharge. And just added a button there. Discharge. We are again, first of all we are going to tag. So in the PLC tag we need the PLC tag to show all tags. We are gonna delete our, because we don't have in our scene that button. So I just deleted it. So you can see, you will see there that there are only. We also delete a fill light because it is not in our scenes, and the discharge. Now in the scenes you can see in the drivers we only have fill valve is Q0.0 and Q0.2 is the discharge valve. Fill valve is Q0.0 or Q0.0, and we use a memory bit for MD0 to MD4. So we don't use M0.0 to M3.4, 3.7, M4.0 to M7.7, M8.0 to M11.7. We use on the next one. So I'm just going to use a new which is our discharge button, and just create a discharge button. It is M, and just use it 14.0, not 41, 41, 14.0, and also use a fill button, which is 16.0. So our fill valve and discharge valve, fill valve but fill button and discharge button is now created. Now I'm just going to home. First of all, going to my blog, and again a fill button, and that is a discharge button. So no, because it is not an NC, so I'm just directly use a discharge button. Now I'm going to again open, and you can see a discharge button there, discharge button, also use the fill button. So now fill button, discharge button is now created. We are now going to compiling them, and now I open my home. So again I am just select a button. So how we select a button? We select a button from there. Another button, I will name it as a fill button, and discharge button, and create a size fill button, discharge button. Now I am using some analog, some outputs. So what I need some graphics. So I going to HMI text and graphic list. I am going to graphic list and a valve. I will name it a valve. Another, I am just use the pump. Use the fill valve and the discharge pump. So fill valve and discharge pump, I'll just name it whenever I'll just name it with the, you know, the name will never matter. So I just gains into a valve, open my first and select a valve. The animated valve there. I think industries. Why don't they show it? Here are valves. So I just choose a blue one and a green one, and use this value as a 0, and that is value as 1. I use a discharge pump. So I just use, there is a pump, so here is a pump. I use that one for 0, and that one for 1. Now our HMI graphics has been created. I just again compiling it, going to my home screen again, and scroll it down. So there is a discharge pump. You can see a discharge pump is there, and the fill pump is there. Now I'm just directly tag it. So how I tag it? I'm going to journal, to tag, ULC tag, and where is our discharge valve? I'm just using a 1 more second. I'm just using a 1. So our fill valve, and here is our discharge valve. Oh, it's need the time. Discharge valve is created. I'm going to fill valve, and here is our discharge. So discharge valve. Our both tag are now created. Now I need a timer. I just place a timer there. We will see the decimals there. So we don't need a decimals. So just format pattern we also selected a none. Input and output I only use as an output because I don't need to put any time there. So I just only need a time, the output time. So here is our output time. So you will see here. I just need I think another text. So we don't need that, but I think that's for have that. So we're selecting there, so text format left, right, centered. Now our zeros has been centered and our HMI has now created. So now our HMI has complete. I'm just finish it. You will see. Just I go to my main button and start simulation. And just again compiling it. Start simulation with PLC. And just going to NI search. I'm searching on a device. Where is the device is available? I just load it. Software compiling error. I think there was a problem with the compiling. Log 3. Offshore like that because we deleted that, so it is not available. Also deleted discharge like that. Again compiling it. Now compiling done. Also done compiling there. Now I start again simulation. Wow, now our program has been loaded and our simulation has been started. We are just will see the open HMI. I just check configuration again with SM1200 1314 and now it is going to connect. And that's it, it is connected. Now I just drag it there. I just want to check on it. You will see it directly there. That's a perfect. Now I'm just again going to my HMI, again compile it and start simulation. Now our HMI has started and now I'm just try to use it there. So I just start a fill button. Don't know why it's not working. Yes, it's problem moment. Why it is creating a problem? Or maybe I don't set it to main. There is no any local. So I just can go into testing. Compiling it there. my PLC simulation. It's called involvement transfer. We have just set to name. Again, open now. Start simulation. It is now disconnected. I just reopen it. Went to tabs. Again, I am loading. So starter. And now our PLC is now running mode. Start that again. And now our PLC is working. Now I just use that to connect. It is connected now. Now I just again make it small. There, start a fill button. Just well, that's not working. I just need to again open it. Why that this start button is not working? Maybe I again check my tag here. I tagged it or not. I think I don't set a tag with it. Oh, I need to set a tag. Sorry. So I need going to press and set while key is pressed. I just use the tag fill button and I just again hit the start button. Set while key is pressed and I again use the wherever the start button is there. So now our now button has been compiled. Now I need to start my simulation again. CCRT. Now our fill valve has been started. You will see there. Fill valve is open. Oh shit, I just again you will see this. Now our is working. Let's see. I need again I push the start button. You can see that the start valve is now again I need to know why that is not working. Properties I don't set his tag also. I just use timer as a QD30 and change again our display format to 9 also. Just again compile it, close it. again I just open simulation again. Now simulation has been started. I just apply a fill button. You can see a counting start there. That is the timer counting. It is counting and 9 and 1. And just push the start button. You will see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. This charging is for 10 seconds. It starts not working. That's how our HMI work. So thank you very much for watching my videos. In the descriptions I give links of any or lectures like Ignition SCADA or Windows Software SCADA. I will make more SCADA lectures on future with WinCC or FactoryTalk view or many more kinetic SCADA in the future. So please wait for my next videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, click the bell icon. Thank you so much again for watching my video. Now the learning lesson is now the factory with timer is complete. In the next I'm just upload some latching and unlatching. So please wait for latching and unlatching. I just make a video on latching and unlatching to understand what is latch and unlatch. So please wait for my next video. Thank you very much again.